Hi guys, we are back. Today we want to show you how to repair a breakage in the charger cable like this. You can use a plastic pipe like this and a pencil sharpener. You can use it like this. Okay, it's enough. Cut it. And now you have a spiral charger cable guard. Then you can use a hot glue. Like this. Okay guys, now repair the breakage and this spiral do as a guard for the charger cable. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Thank you.